love you? I love you to the moon and back! I'm crazy about you. I'm lost without you. I've been lost a long time. Please, take me with you this time. You won't leave me, will you?
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers. Want to know what I remember about you?
Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please. Thanks. More red, please. Out? But we can't be out. You're hiding more red from me. Give it here! Now that's much better. I'm Hoppy Hopscotch! Wanna try hopping to the moon with me? On three with me! 1, 2, 3! Heh, didn't get very far, did we? Again! 1, 2, 3! Nope, still didn't make it. Listen, this won't stop until we make it to the moon! 1, 2... No! Don't look at your feet! None of that matters! Again! Jump!
Hey, I'm Kickin' Chicken. Want to go outside and hang out? It's looking pretty bad outside. I've never been outside before. Will you come with me? I'm scared. Here, follow me. I'll step out first.
Hi there! I'm Piggy. Let's eat! Roast beef? Delicious! Grilled chicken? Down the hatch! Seared elephant? Yum! Played unicorn? Mmm! Still hungry. Hey, what do you say you and I be friends?
Hi, I'm Catnap. You look really tired. I'll be sure to put you in a deep sleep. You shouldn't be here. Go, before it's too late.